Hi everyone, this is Rajita Devi, Government Degree College, Hayat Nagar, today I am going to discuss about on things BSc Computer Science 6th semester Web Technologies. In this, I am going to discuss about on these things multiple frames in a single download text only menu system, and creating JavaScript object, accessing object properties, moving images, and document objects, and exception handling, and regular expressions. These are the topics today I'm going to discuss about on these things one by one. And then a program which is having some program HTML and JavaScript animations. How to use animation for this? Var image object variable animation and function in it only. Whenever we are using image object is equal to document and get element by id by image. In this image object dot style, you have to take that position relative, and image object dot style, whenever you have to take left or right and some 0 pixels only. Whenever you have to take a function moving right, image object style and left only, pass int and image object that style dot left, and plus 10 having that px animation is equal to set timeout, and moving right to 20 will be there. This is the call moving right in 20 milliseconds, which is having function stop. Whenever we are using this clear timeout, animate and image object style dot left and 0 px pixels. Whenever we are using a window dot onload is equal to init, and scripting which is having in that form image id, you have to give my image src image dot jpg. That image will be there. And whenever you are to click the button below to handle animation, p dot input and type button value and start on click. Whenever you are moving on right, it input, type button value is stop. Whenever you are clicking on that stop, this is about on JavaScript animation function. After that, this is the example for whenever you are clicking on this, the above shown output as shown that figure. In this multiple frames in a single window, single download. Whenever we are taking multiple frames in a single window is a concept which is having several web pages in a single download, instead of using separate files for each page, which is having each page. And when we can insert different pages in a single web page, and each page should not contain large images, it will support only text and small images. It is a good trick where most of our data is text based, and where users want to see all the information, which is having all the information. It is also works well as a way of splitting a single large document into several screens of data, so that user don't have to scroll up or down. This is about a multiple frames in a single download, how to get. And which is an example for this program. Here in this title, multiple pages in a single download, multiple pages having in a single window. And then a scripting language which is having a JavaScript where active is equal to 0 only. That function change layer now document dot get element by id, and content having active, and then style dot visibility hidden, and document get element by id, and content m dot now style dot visibility is equal to m visible. This is active now, and scripting having some menu is there. That is a style, you have to take top and left, and visibility and visible position is there absolute, and having on click and change layer at 0, and h reference is a hash of on click. Whenever you are using a change JavaScript and HTML and DBMS, you have to this which is used by the div tag, and a div id is equal to content style which is having a 60 or left to 20 visible or position, you have to take absolute alignment. This is a center, which is a scripting language for creating web pages, or content and style which is having a top 60 and left 20 and visible hidden position absolute only. only. And alignment is you have to take a center and hypertext markup language. You have to take id is equal to content to style having top 60 and left 20 visibility, hidden is position, absolute. And then alignment is a center and database management system. You have to take on this. This is by using the div tag. This is an example for multiple pages in a single download. How can we download? In the above program, when we move our cursor over a JavaScript, hyperlinks, whenever we are using hyperlinks, then content 0 divisor layer will be displayed. If we move the cursor over the HTML element link, that content 0 page will be hidden only and the content will be displayed only. When we move the cursor over DBMS, then when the hyperlink, that content 1 layer will be hidden and the content 2 will be shown on the web page only. Whenever which is having, whenever clicking on first window, which will be shows the remaining things. After that, text only menu systems. The most common use of JavaScript is the site menu, which is having a site menu. There are many ways of providing navigations by using a hyperlinks. We can use a JavaScript to build a site menu by the combining from the rollover and the layer swapping. Whenever we are doing a swapping, which is a simple and easy way of creating menu systems. The below example code will demonstrate how to use the layers in rollover changing formatting of the web pages of the moves. This is another example in which the HTML is more complex than the JavaScript. This is about on the text only menu systems. In this program will be the title multiple pages in a single window, scripting language JavaScript, where active is 0 and function height you have to take, and document.getElement by id, document.getElement by id, which is having a style and visibility, and style and visibility is their function unlighting id, and document get element by id, which is having menu id and style visibility, that is hidden only. Whenever we are taking document get element by id menu, which is having a style and visibility, and scripting head having a menu and a style top 5 and left 5 visibility, which is having a that position is index sum 5. This and in this H reference we are using is on mouse over, which is having a height 0, on mouse out, and on highlight 0, 1 and 2 will be there, which is an about on text only. Whenever we are using the text only menu systems. After that, the continuation on mouse over, highlighting, on mouse over, on highlighting, div tag by using, and menu which has having top and left visibility and position is there. Whenever we are using H reference 1, 2, 3 like that, we will take in on this. And the div tag id menu will be there. After that we are taken with top, left, visibility, hidden, position, absolute, and index we are taken in there. In this H references of 1, 2 and 3 will be there, which is having another will be there, another div tag will be there. In this menu 2b will be there, style we are taken also same about the thing, top, left, visibility, and position, absolute, and index will be there. H reference is there, 1, 2, 3 will be there. This is an example for mouse example output for this program. Whenever we are taking on this objects in the JavaScript only. JavaScript is not fully programming language. JavaScript supports is predefined only. Almost everything in JavaScript can be an object only, which is having a string, functions, arrays, and dates. Objects are just data with properties and methods. Whenever we are using objects which is having data with properties and also methods. Properties and methods, properties are values associated with that object only. Methods are actions. Whenever we are taking that actions, that objects can be performed only. This is about the properties and methods. After that I am going to discuss about a real life object. This is an example for a car, and which is having a car having car is an object which is having some properties and methods will be there. A car name is you have to take any Fiat like that, and car model you have to take, and car weight, and car color, and car start, which that is the methods. These are the properties, and the methods having car dot start, car dot drive, or car dot break, like that. These are the having a real life an example of an object which is having properties and also the methods. The properties of the car include a name, model, weight, color. these are etc. And all cars have these properties, but property values different from car to car. Variation is there from one car to another car. The method of the car could be start, method is also same. Drive and brake will be, all the cars have same methods, but they perform at different times, which is having different, which performs on different times only. So the JavaScript is an object oriented programming language. Objects are composed of attributes only. If an object contains a function, it is considered to a method of that object. Otherwise the attribute is considered a property, which is an example for an object. How to create a JavaScript object? Then almost everything in JavaScript can be object, string, dates, arrays and functions, which is having every JavaScript object having strings and also the dates and arrays and functions also. You can also create your own objects. And then this is example for creating an object called a person. You have to take and adds 4 properties to it. You have to take 4 properties on that. And then next, body and script only, where person, new object, person, first name. You have to take person whenever you are to take person is an object, person having some first name, person last name, and person age and person eye color, like that you have to take. And document and return, write that first name, you have to write person age and that person having some age. This is an about of that how to create an object of a program. The output is John is 50 years old, like that. This is an example for only creating, how to creating a JavaScript object. This is an example whenever we are taking a person is an object. After that, accessing object properties. How to access the object properties? The syntax for accessing the properties of an object is, syntax is object name dot property name, object name dot property name. Syntax is, this is an user the length property of the string object to find the length of a string. Where message, some you have to take some word will be there, hello world, or where x is equal to some message dot length only. You have to take that message dot length. The where x is equal to, after execution of that code above, will be how to accessing only. This is only an example for how to accessing that object properties. X is equal to message that length. You have to take that, you have to in double quotes, you have to write anything in this accessing object properties. Whenever we are taking accessing object, these methods are functions that let the object to do something or let something be done to it. There is a little difference between a function and a method, except that a function is a standalone unit of statement and method is attached to an object. When we are accessing object, a little information in between function and method, except the function is a standalone unit, which is a standalone unit of statements, which is having some statements and methods attached to an object. Method are useful for everything. Every method is useful for everything, for displaying the content on the object to the screen, to performing complex mathematical operations. By using performing the only mathematical operations and a group of local properties and parameters. This is used for the access, how to accessing the methods. And example for this following is a simple example to show how to use return methods of document object to write a content on the document. This is about a thing of accessing object properties and example. After that, document.write, this is a text you have to write. After that, user defined objects is there. All user defined objects and built-in objects are described of an object called object. This is the user defined object. After that, the new operator. The new operator is used to create an instance of an object. To create an object, the new operator is followed by the constructor method only. Whenever we are using new operator, which is used to create an instance of an object, which is used only for the instance of an object. To create an object, the new operator is followed by the constructor method. In the following example, the constructor methods are only the objects. You have to take object and array and date. These are the constructors, type of constructor whenever we are using new operator, are built in a JavaScript function. For example, we are taken variable is employee. which is having a new object. Variable books is equal to new array, and which is having some type of languages will be there. C++, Perl and Java is there. Where date is equal to new date, and some date having some month and date and year will be there. This is whenever we are using a new operator which is user defined. User only do these things, user defined objects. These are the, after that you have to take a built-in objects is there in JavaScript. In JavaScript supports different types of built-in objects are there. Are data object and navigation object and window object and form object and document object is there. 5 types will be there. One by one we will discuss about on these things. Date object. This date object is used to work with the date and time only. Whenever we are using date of object, this is a work with how to use a date and time. Date objects are used to perform different type of operations on the date and time also. There are 4 ways creating data and object. Where d is equal to new date and constructor method, which is having where date is equal to new date, milliseconds also is there, and where d is equal to new date string having, where d is equal to new date, year, month, day and hour and minute, second, which is having, which is about the thing a date object. How to use. Once a date object is created, in a number of methods allow us to operate on a dates only. Most methods allows us to get and set year and month, hour, minute, second and milliseconds of the objects. User either local time or universal time user. Whenever you user only use the universal time or anything, you have to take GMT like that. All the dates are calculated in a milliseconds only. From like you have to take any date and month and year only. This is a universal time, which is used for the date object. After that, example of initial dating object, date object where d is equal to new date. Where d is equal to new date, you have to take any type of that. Where d is equal to any type of new date, and where d is equal to, this is the types of how to initialize the date objects. And then different types of methods supported by the date object. Get date. This function returns the date of month only. Get date, it returns an integer represents the day of month, week, like that you have to take anyone. And get full year, it returns the year as a 4 digital numbers. Get month, and it returns a month field of the date object, and get hour, and it returns the hour field of the date object, and get minute, and it returns the minute field of the date object, and 0 to 50 like that. Get seconds is it returns the second fields of the date object, which we have taken different types of methods supported by using the date object. Get date and get full year also. And getting milliseconds also is there. It returns the milliseconds of the date object. You have to take 0 to 99 like that. And set date will be there. It sets the value of date in the date object. It accepts the values from the 1 to 3 only. This is an example how to use the date object. After that, I discuss about that set full year also is there. It sets the year of the date object. It accepts the 4 digit numbers, and month from 0 to 11 only, from 1 to 31 only. Set hours, it sets the hour value of the date object. It accepts the values from 1 to 12 numbers only. And set minutes only, it sets the value minutes, and it accepts the value from 0 to 59 only. Set seconds only, it sets the value of the seconds, which accepts the value from 0 to 59 only. After that, as shown how to use a date object. The above figure is a date and time is there. The scripting language we are written in this JavaScript, where d is equal to new date, and a document that write the full date of the system you have to take, and document write, and a full year and get full year, like that you have to take write br, and like date is a get date, which is having you used done that. Depends on you. Date is get date, and then month is get month, like this. This is how to use a date and month and year. This is an example for date object. After that, this is an example for above program. After that, navigator or browser object. How to navigate the browser. and object. The browser object or navigation object contains all the information about the visitor browser only. And the browser object is also called a navigator object. By using the browser object, we know the information about the browser of the system, that is means browser name, version and the user agent. Whenever browser object supports various properties, they are navigator that app code name. Whenever this property is used to know the original name of the browser only, you have to take one original name. After that, navigator dot app name. It is used to know that the public name of the browser, that is Netscape. You have to take any browsers, Netscape or Internet Explorers only. Navigate.app versions, this is a property returns the version name it gives and platform on which the browser is running or not. Navigator user agent, this property returns the original name or version of the web browser. Navigator language, this property returns the language of the browser which is being used or not. Navigation dot property, this function returns an array containing detail of all instant plugins. This is about the navigation plugin. These are the navigator or browser objects. After that, window object is there. In this window object, the window object represent as an open window in the browser. By using the window object, we can execute a new window in our browser to open or to take anyone. You have to take this in this window object, the window object represents an open window in a browser. By using window object, we can execute a new window in our browser. To open a close a window on object provides two functions. They are open and close will be there. Window.open, this function opens a new window which contains the document specified by the URL only. The window is given and identifying a name, so it can be manipulated individually and it has different types of attributes for window, which is the syntax for window.open URL name, attribute 1 and attribute 2. This is an example of a window object. After that, I go to discuss about the window object provides various attributes on window. They are toolbar, yes or no, which is having a status, yes or no. Scroll bar, yes or no. Height, which is having yes or no. Height, after that width, yes or no. Menu bar is yes or no. These are the window object provided by the various attributes on window only. Window close, how to, this is a function. This function is used to close the window in our browser only. This is an example for where d is equal to window.open, which is having some Google data. Like that, you have to give any type of web browser, that is a d.close. Which is about the window.close, how to use a window open and close, like that. After that, this example for window object and JavaScript, window.open, 2.html, my window and my bar, yes or no, you have to tell, and scroll bar, yes, and function close window. In this window object, window.close. After that, example for window object, that form name s1, button value is equal to new window, on click open window, close window, on click close window. After that, this is